Hey YouTube, it's been a while. I'm back in the swing of things though. I just want to take a break from cooking and wish you and yours a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Ultimate Diva Style TV, the Poindexter Gregory family. I hope you and yours have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for watching and look forward for more to come in the new year. Got some giveaways coming, plus size outfit of the days, and plenty of cooking. I appreciate any suggestions you might want to make for videos that you might like to see. Make 2015 your best year ever. Let's all do that. See you later. And again, thanks for watching.